Identify the type of bone defect seen in respect to the canine in the given picture. Okay, so here we have an image of a defect. This is the canine, this being the premolar. So if you see carefully, in the canine, the image shows loss of complete marginal bone and denuded area of the root, whereas in the premolar there is a window shaped loss of bone with the premolar. The marginal bone over here is intact. So the two terminologies that help you understand this loss of bone is fenestration and dehiscence. Now fenestration, as you can see, is a window shaped defect where the marginal bone remains intact, and it is a discontinuity defect. That means it is not continuously following the contour of the bone. On the other hand, dehiscence is a continuous defect that includes the marginal bone around the tooth. It does not have a window like fenestration. So in the given question, canine has dehiscence and premolar has fenestration, right? Gingival recession would mean that only soft tissue has receded. In the given case, the bone has receded, and one wall defect would mean only one wall is present. On the contrary, here other parts of the bone are intact, only the buccal wall is involved. So the correct answer in this question would be dehiscence. Canine shows dehiscence in the given image.